an angel from above, a messenger of love. From the times beyond the yonder was born the divine wonder, in the form that's so known, yet her life feels unknown. Open book seemingly clear, feels far yet so near, about to reveal yet does disappear, connected to all, so everyone is dear, a friend, a guide, a mentor, a mother. She fits no mold but plays every role. Skeptics say she's not possible. Believers say she is the hope. Some love her but question her. Some don't understand yet believe her. She is human, so is her humanity. One may not agree, but would never question her piety. She confuses being who she is, paradox of sorts as she is. Knowing her is simple, yet not easy. When the world is resting, she's busy. The deeper you go, the closer you are to her. The closer you are, she escapes your eyes. You will be engulfed by her presence. She becomes the air that you sense. She becomes the awareness of yourself. Just when you thought yourself you found, she becomes the friction that shakes your ground. Knowing you is knowing her. Loving you is loving her. Being you is being with her. That simple it is to know her. She is with you in all her might. She is Rashmi, the ray of light.